Hello guys, welcome to this fresh series of Mentoring Mantra by Vision CA. In Mentoring Mantra, we have conversations with our esteemed mentors who cater selfless service to the CA community as well as helping CA students in pursuit of CA degree. I'm your host, Dao Chotai. Here we have with us today mentor Yash Shah, a qualified chartered accountant, co-founder of Vision CA, who's also currently working as a financial services auditor in PwC. So let's start the show. Right, Yash? So
Yeah,
if you
hi,
could tell
hi,
us,
Dhruv.
hi. So if you could tell us about your journey from high school to CA.
From my high school to CA. So the journey is really an interesting one. So I actually had in my mind that I want to do CA after my 10th standard when I decided to go for the commerce field. So that was fixed in my mind that the commerce, we have taken commerce as a field and now we have to take the best of the commerce field, which is CA.
Definitely,
So that was my
for
plan
sure.
A. And other than CA, I had not done anything else. And that was my plan B, that to focus on only CA and not to vigor your mind and take the other opportunities and what we say to
Definitely. Just keep one thing in
not
mind
vigor your
and
mind.
run towards it. Definitely. Chase your single goal with wholeheartedly. Wow, that's
Yes.
so great. So how was the process of CA for you like? Were you able to like just as messy at it, like did you had anyone to help you out, or how did you start progressing in the CA journey? Did you have
Yeah.
any mentors, or
So
how did you progress through it?
af- after my 10th standard, so I am actually the first CA in my family. So there was
Oh,
no
that's
one
great.
for me to guide me. And at that moment, I only had my neighbor who is a finance director in a company, and he's like an elderly
Okay,
figure and a father figure to me. So I had only
for
one
sure.
person whom I can like take the insights of the industry, take the insights of the commerce field, take the insights that what's there in the
Definitely.
commerce in the
Industry.
CA studies. Correct.
Definitely.
So I had only one person, and at that moment of time, he really helped me. That a person who is not from a CA background and who is the first in his family, a person other than a person who is like a mentor figure to me, he did really help me to guide the way in my this 5.5 CCS journey.
So basically, having a mentor helps in progressing life better than not having a mentor, right? So how did you
Perfect,
manage your
definitely.
studies as well as college and BCom? If I'm not wrong, you are from Nasi Munji College, one of the best college in Bombay and third or fourth institute in the entire country. So please, could you share some light on the same?
Yeah, so I had did my BCom from the NM college, and along with and we all have to go through this struggle that doing the BCom along with doing the CA studies. So that's up to the student. He has to manage the time between the college and doing the CA preparations. So CA inter is very difficult for a person after the CPT to complete the studies. It's a sprint race, to be really honest, doing the CA inter because a person is really immature at the CA inter level, to be really honest. And then you
Definitely.
get a buffer period. You do get a buffer period
Of 3 years
after your CA inter.
after
Correct.
clearing your
And
center
then
year,
you
CA inter year.
correct. And then you get the enough preparation and to complete your articleship and to study for CA final thoroughly. And you also get your 5 or 4 months CA leave, the study leave which we call.
Definitely,
So
for sure.
you have to pace your journey in this time. You have to pace your journey and you also have to manage your time. You have to do your college or college exams and also your focus should not waver from your CA studies. That is the key word I would say. That you should
Definitely,
have one
that was
focus in mind.
some great insight. Definitely. So basically, in one hand, you had CA studies, and on the other, managing your BCom exams and everything. Wow, that's so
Correct.
great of you. I'm sure many people would understand the pains of going to college and at the same time working on CA. Then you cleared your inter in your first attempt, if I'm not wrong. And at the same time, I heard that you were amongst the first one in your entire batch to reach out for the interviews. Could you share some light on how did you factor in for your articleship?
Yeah. So after my CA inter exams, so we were in a like chill mode. Me with along with all our friends. But I was actually worried that now I do not have to lose my focus. I have to get into the one of the best form for my articleship, which will help me grow as a professional. So right after my exams 1 week, I started approaching each and every companies, each and every firms.
My God,
And that was
that's
actually
so
the need for
insightful.
the hour, to be really honest, to not to wait for the exams. And I started giving the interviews. My some of the interviews went like a very much haywire. Some of them went really well. So I did start collecting the email IDs of the HR people, and I started mailing them. If I'm not wrong, I still have it with me. I had collected 25 email
Oh,
IDs,
wow.
25 CA firms email IDs. Yeah,
So
so I
basically,
was
when
really
everyone was
well
chilling
prepared.
around,
Yeah,
definitely, for sure. I can just understand one thing out of this. When everyone was thinking that this was the rest period, you are preparing for the next journey of your life. Wow, seems like you had a very urgency to become a CA. Wow, this is so great to
you
hear.
have to maintain
Definitely,
that urgency.
definitely, without doubt. So, what was your preparation strategy for CA finals? Could you share some light on the same? Because CA students usually have 3 years after their CA inter, or previously it was called CA IPCC. So people get distracted during that 3 year period and then they lose out on time and lose out on their first attempt of CA finals, which is considered a great achievement. So could you please
Well,
share some of
so
your strategy? Yeah,
correct. So ideally, each and every CA student gets 3 to 4 months or even 5 months in a very good firm. They give you the CA leave. So what most of the people do is they do their classes and they rely only on this 5 months. And what I
definitely.
did over here was, yeah, if you say that start studying CA right from your first day of articleship for your CA final. No, it should not be that case. You should start gradually. It should not be like you are relying on that last 5 months. I, in my personal opinion,
So
I do remember that in my first year of articleship, I was not having enough time to pace my studies with the articleship. So I did not study in my first year of articleship, to be really honest. But I did started
okay,
attending the classes. In the weekend, I had the classes, which I was attending regularly. I never bunked the classes. So
okay,
it helped me to grip
wow,
the studies. If not wholeheartedly, at least I can go to classes, understand the concept, and come back home and do my articleship work. But when May 18 came, so I was like, अभी एक साल बाकी है. Now there are only 12 months remaining. Now the pace should be much more. My classes will get over soon. My exam day will start from December 19th. So I should not be relying on the last 5 months only. So I did pace my
so
studies in
basically you
that
had
manner.
a definitely. So basically, you had a timetable cut out for yourself that goal CA, time remaining 365 days, and then you started pacing yourself according to the studies. Am I right?
That
And if
self-realization
I'm
came at
not,
an appropriate time.
definitely, without doubt, like on the best moment, and you kicked in with your rigor and you achieved the goal. So, yeah, definitely. If I'm not wrong, you stayed in a sector that's really taken as a game changer game changer. So basically, if I'm not wrong, you're a person in financial services. And as the world moves towards services, could you share some light on the same?
Yeah, so I did my articleship from PwC, and it was in financial
Okay,
services sector. And to be really honest, financial services sector has boomed a lot over the recent years, and it is also going
definitely,
to boom with the advent of the technology in the coming years. A lot of new things are
definitely,
coming. So this will really interested me. Then you get a lot of exposure in the mutual fund industry, in the banking industry, in the NPFs, in the insurance. So all the things are moving a lot at a bigger picture, and they are moving at a rapid exponential rate. And the people around it will be grow also, be it
definitely, without
professional
doubt.
or be it people in that industry.
Definitely. Without financial services, being on our smartphones would be a very bad day for the industry and for the people, because the smartphone has brought us so many benefits that we can invest in any mutual fund, we can buy a car, we can book a cab, book anything. And with the help of financial services, we can grow our goals, monetary and non-monetary. So definitely. Last second question for the day. How was your life pre CA and post CA?
Life pre-CA and post-CA. Well, it has completely changed to be honest. Where a person who is totally immature, who is just in 11th standard after completing his 10th, who was not sure that whether this is a good industry or not, the CA industry, the commerce field, and he then decided to do commerce and then CA. And right from with the guidance with the right people, well, I only had one person in my mind, my neighbor, as I told, and this really helped me to maintain that sincerity, to understand the importance of this degree, where this is going to stay for the entire lifetime, and the responsibility which I will be having in my future for the
For sure,
society and for my family also, where the life has
definitely,
completely changed, where an immature person turns into a qualified chartered accountant with a lot of responsibilities. Yes, the life do change, but in a better manner.
definitely. And if I'm not sure, with this in mind, Vision CA was created to help CA students who don't have any previous CAs in the family or near or dear ones. And at the same time, I'm proud to share that Vision CA is more than a family of 160 mentors and more than 900 students. So that is a celebration in itself. So could you share some light on the same?
Yeah, so our purpose for Vision CA was to help a student reach from a student life to a qualified CA qualification life.
Definitely.
So this was
From
our
a
main
student to a
motto to
professional.
help them from their start till the end, be it exam study preparation, be it helping for their articleship, be it then how to study for the CA final, what do's and don'ts you need to do, which you should keep in mind. So this was the main foundation to help them, not only for the people who are not in the CA background, but for each and every person who is curious about this industry, who wants to excel in his life with having a two initials in front of his name.
So the prefix has to be something in a better way. Someone should say CA साहब आ रहे हैं. Definitely. With
Not
this in mind,
that.
let me come to a straight point. This has been a complete game changer initiative. This has been a complete game changer movement, and to be honest, I really appreciate you people doing all of such amazing activities right from the start of CA till the end of CA and further. I'm sure students would be all ears to know some tips which you use and you might suggest them as well. So please, could you share some your golden tips of yours?
I would not say that this should be the golden tip from my end, but what I did in my life was I created a sense of urgency in my life that I am in my,
Definitely.
I am in my 12th. I have to complete my inter. I have to complete my articleship, and I have to do my CA and give justice to that profession, give justice to that exam. You can call it being well prepared in advance, or you can call it preparation on time. But you have to manipulate yourself to give justice. You have to manipulate yourself to create a sense of urgency and what you want to achieve, and not lose your
For sure.
focus, which is for your benefit.
For sure. If I'm not wrong, people might get confused, lose their focus, but at the same time, focus on your goal. Your name should be a CA in front of it. Right, sir?
Correct. You should focus on your goal along with you should also have fun in your life. You should be the happy person who is completing, who is achieving his dream.
Definitely. Definitely. So basically, CA Yasha says enjoy, but at the same time, study more than you enjoy, and at the same time, enjoy the journey with the people we do the journey. Right, sir?
Correct. You should
And
always
this
trust the
comes to
process.
a definitely, definitely. Focus on the process, your destination will be easier to achieve
Correct.
for sure. And with this, our small, amazing session comes to an end. I wish you a very happy evening. At the same time, wishing you a great future, Mr. Yash Shah. Hope to see you soon. And at the same time, please subscribe, give a like, comment, share with your friends because the series is just going to start and you will continue to see such amazing videos. थैंक यू फॉर योर टाइम थैंक्स ऑल जय हिंद जय भारत सीखते रहे क्योंकि सीखना बंद तो जीतना बंद